Today guys, we are creating the absolute masterpiece, which is the doner kebab. This one in my opinion is so much better than the one from the chip shop because you know exactly what's gone into it and you still get that same takeaway flavour. So simple yet so delicious. So you will need some tin foil, 1.5 teaspoons of mixed herbs, 3 teaspoons of onion salt, 3 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 kilogram of good quality lamb mince, some smoked paprika, salt and pepper, and you're also going to need a slow cooker, preferably one that's not 1,000 years old like mine. So get your mince into a bowl, just give it a right good little mix together. We're going to go in with the paprika, 1 teaspoon, in with the mixed herbs, followed by the onion powder, in with the garlic powder, good crank of some salt goes in there, followed by some freshly ground black pepper. Get your hand in there and give that a really good mix together. Once all the ingredients are incorporated together, what we're going to do is we're going to make a little loaf shape. You want to go for a really big sausage on this one. So once you've got it moulded into the shape that you want it, what we need to do now, this stage is quite important, we need to make sure it's really tightly wrapped in some kitchen foil. Just wrap it up like a Christmas present. Nice and tightly wrapped. Now what we're going to do is put this into a slow cooker for about 4 hours on high heat. Now I assure you this slow cooker is clean and hygienic, it's just literally about 1,000 years old. So put it onto high, and then we're going to cook it for about 4 hours. Once it's at its time, it doesn't look very attractive, but trust me guys, this tastes absolutely phenomenal. And there you go, slice it as thin as you can. And that is how you make a homemade doner kebab, better than anything you'll get from the chip shop. Truly delicious. Thank you very much for watching guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share this video and subscribe to my channel to become part of the family. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.